This protocol is suitable for studying Leishmania virulence because it provides a systemic view of the vertebrate host to the cutaneous infection. The main advantage of adopting this protocol is that it allows researchers to evaluate the host inflammatory response and parasite replication simultaneously.
This method can be used for characterizing several targets and treatments related to virulence, which could bring you insights into cutaneous leishmaniasis control. It can also be applied to other mice strains and Leishmania species that cause cutaneous leishmaniasis. This assay has some critical steps, such as requiring trained personnel that are comfortable working with mice and have experience in performing supplantar injections to avoid accidental exposure to infectious material.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Dr. Ricardo Zampieri, a technician from my laboratory.
Start by growing L. amazonensis promastigotes in a 25 cm squared cell culture flask containing 10 ml of promedium for 3 days at 25 degrees Celsius. After the incubation, pipette 5 ml of logarithmic growth phase promastigote culture into a new flask. Add 5 ml of AMA medium to the flask and incubate it at 34 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 days. Split the culture by diluting it at a ratio of 1:3 with fresh AMA medium in a new flask. Then incubate it for another 3 to 5 days.